Hello and welcome or welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Please, are you someone who feeds your hair all the times, or you leave the hair malnourished and then you go about looking for hair treatments everywhere? Please let me know in the comment section. This food we're cooking right here is going to serve as hair food for some people, and it's going to serve as hair treatment for others. The first on our list of ingredients is avocados. Avocados help provide and restore healthy fats and moisture in the hair, making the hair healthy and resilient to damage. Avocados leave the hair feeling soft and looking shiny and also hardy to damage. Next, we have aloe vera. Aside its huge moisturizing abilities, aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, and all these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. There is also vitamins B12 and folic acid in aloe vera gel, which keeps the hair from falling out. We need just the aloe vera gel, so after washing your leaf and cutting the spikes off, cut open the aloe vera leaf and extract the gel with a knife or with a spoon. Add your aloe vera gel to the avocado meat in the blender and blend everything till you obtain a smooth paste. You don't have to add water. After blending, sieve to remove larger particles from the paste. You definitely don't want those particles stuck up in your hair. They can be hard to take out. This is melted shea butter. I added shea butter for its moisturizing and shine benefits. Considering that we still have a few other things to add, I noticed that this bowl is really small, so I had to change it. Mix everything up, then introduce our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is coconut milk. First of all, I will show you how I obtained it, then I'll tell you why we are adding coconut milk to this mixture. I already removed the coconut meat from the coconut shell and also washed it already. So the next thing to do is to grate the coconut meat. If you have a stronger blender, you can cut the meat into tiny pieces and use your blender to blend it. After grating, add a little bit of water to this. You just need to sprinkle a little bit of water. But if you blend, you will likely need water to blend the coconut, so you don't need to add extra water again. This will help us to obtain the coconut milk. You don't have to add so much water because you don't want to have a watery coconut milk. After sprinkling the water, you can leave it for about 5 minutes, then go ahead to squeeze out the coconut milk. Now, why are we adding coconut milk to this mixture? Coconut milk is a natural fatty acid which gives moisture to the hair strands. Coconut milk does not just restore the hair, but it also nourishes and protects damaged strands from breaking. Earlier on, I said that this recipe was going to act as hair food for some people and that it was going to act as a hair treatment for others. So actually, I made this for someone who was already thinking of cutting her hair, and her hair really loved it so much. I didn't record the process, and so I decided to make it again as hair food for my hair and to share the recipe with you. I hope you like it, and I hope your hair likes it too. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. I actually prepared the coconut milk before the aloe avocado paste, so After preparing the paste, go ahead and add the coconut milk to it and mix everything so well. Now that we're done preparing the hair food, let us transfer to this cup and then go ahead and feed the hair. To apply this, I started by parting my hair into 3 sections for easy application. Mind you, I am not applying on already washed hair. After parting, I take the first portion and spread water to it just to make it receptible to the moisture that I'm about to put in. Prevention, they say, is always better than cure. So if you're someone who leaves your hair out especially, then you have to feed it once in a while with the nutrients that it needs to stay healthy. Otherwise, your hair will go bad. If you don't like to put so much in your hair, then it is advisable to put your hair in a protective style and keep it away for as long as possible. Another thing you will want to keep in mind is to be very gentle with your hair, be it with your fingers or with a comb. You don't want to use your fingers and break your own hair, or you don't want to use a comb and break your hair. Be as gentle as possible. Applying this treatment, I did not even make use of a comb. I just used my fingers to apply it and to detangle my hair. When you're done applying the treatment, cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, wash and condition your hair as you normally would. So this is the next day and this is how my hair looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. I'll see you in another video. Bye.